personally, there was something missing, and that is... Hello curlies, it's Mary and welcome to the Curly Closet. If this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome, and if you're returning to my channel, then welcome back. So this is going to be my review of the Natural Fusions range from Parabens. These products are fairly new in the US and they've just been introduced in the UK. In fact, they have their debut in Superdrug, so they are available on the high street. I was sent these products in PR. Thank you very much, Parabens UK. These products were also featured in the latest Treasure Tress box. If you don't know what Treasure Tress is, it is a subscription box where you get natural hair products, 5 full-size products for £20 a month. I have a special discount code for you because I am a Treasure Tress affiliate. They're a fantastic company, black owned and black run. Here's the rest of the video and my review, and I'm going to come back at the end and give my final thoughts. Enjoy. So to begin with, this was about a week and a half to 2 weeks after I had used the purple hair paint wax in my hair. So my hair really needed some TLC. So I started off with the Micellar Rose Water Cleanser, which is a clarifying shampoo. I love this nozzle because it makes it so much easier to get the product into your scalp. Now each of the products in this range has a key infusion, and for this cleanser the key infusion is Micellar Rose Water, which attracts dirt, excess oil and impurities, drawing them out for a gentler, more effective hair cleansing. Now using this product, initially it just feels like you're just putting a very gentle gel onto your hair. Doesn't feel harsh at all. It foams up a little but not excessively, so that will take a little bit of getting used to. But what I will say is, even though it goes onto the hair and scalp very gently, it is very effective in terms of clarifying the hair. I could feel a massive difference when I washed it out of my hair. I can hear a squeak on my hair. You know, like when you have that squeaky clean, squeaky clean feeling on your hair? This is what I have right now. She needs some conditioner at this point. We have a conditioner, a rinse out conditioner and a deep conditioner. Oops. Let's be honest, my preference is towards this one. This one is supposed to be used for only 3 to 5 minutes. This one says use whenever hair is extra moisture thirsty or in need of deep conditioning, which is me right now. It says you can use it as an overnight mask treatment, but be sure to wear a cap or use a towel to protect sheets. Rinse out in the morning. Hey, this is my jam. Here I can feel it's got a good amount of product in it and it feels fairly thick. So I'm hoping that this is going to be enough for my whole head. So moving on to the Chia seed and argan oil hair mask. It claims to condition deeply and also boost hydration. I can say that's an absolute true claim, at least for my hair it was. As soon as it went onto my hair, I could literally feel the nourishment and moisture come back into my hair, and it's exactly what my hair needed after that clarifying session. So the key infusions for this are chia seed and argan oil. Chia seed helps to strengthen and protect new growth, and argan oil is the liquid gold standard in rejuvenating dull and lifeless hair. Now I did apply this to my hair a little bit differently to the way that I usually do, just because I knew I had limited product. So I added a lot of it to the ends of my hair on both sides, and then as you can see I've parted my hair in bits and just tried to work it into my hair towards the roots a bit more, as much as I could basically. So I would say that that pack did distribute through my hair quite well, but it didn't quite go into my roots as much as I really wanted it to. But I just decided to just work with it and see how well it was going to deep condition my hair, and I put my hair into twists as always and covered with a plastic cap, covered with my headscarf, and went to bed. And then in the morning washed it out and continued with the rest of my wash day routine. So this is my hair the next day after having rinsed out the deep conditioner. My hair felt lovely and light and soft, not weighed down at all. just in lovely condition. So before going in with the leave-in, I just followed the instructions. It said to slightly towel dry your hair just to take out the excess water, so I used my microfiber towel to do that. So now onto the mallow root leave-in conditioner. The key infusion here is mallow root, and the mallow plant is well known for its terrific natural properties that increase hair slip and smoothness, making it perfect for detangling and shine. My process with this product was just to add some through my hair and then work it through my strands with my hand, do a little bit of finger detangling, and then go in with a brush or comb and detangle from there. But at this point I had a bit of an issue with combing through my hair, so I had to go in again with my fingers and do a bit more finger detangling before going through with my brush again. This doesn't usually happen, but for me, my hair tends to respond a bit better to creamy leave-ins rather than liquid ones. But after going through and finger detangling a bit more the second time, it was a little bit easier. But I will be talking about that a little bit later in the video. So now moving on to the Ceramide Monoi Hair Food Oil. I love the nozzle on this product again. In fact, generally speaking, the packaging for this product was great. It just started dripping a bit more due to my own over enthusiasm, but don't mind me. But the nozzle was great because it allowed me to either use just a few drops if I wanted to, or to use quite a bit more, as you can see. I really love this oil. For one, it is nourishing, but it's not too heavy. And the key infusion for this product are hydroceramides, which are a key component for healthy hair, resulting in stronger, more optimal growth potential. And also Monoi. Tahitian Monoi creates a protective coating for fragile hair and boosts shine. You can see the shine on my twists. My twists were so juicy after using these products. Now I will be giving my final verdict. Okay, Kelly, so here are my final thoughts on the range. So let's start with the Micellar Rosewater Cleanser. This stuff is potent. When it says clarifying, it really means clarifying. I would say if your hair's prone to dryness, then try to use it when your hair's really dirty. It needs like a lot of gunk stripped away from it, because this will do it. However, it is very gentle. It's not harsh. It doesn't feel harsh at all. But when you wash out and you feel the results, yeah, your hair and scalp will be clean. The Chia Seed and Argan Oil Hair Mask. I love this mask, but I'm not fully happy about it. The thing is, the cleanser does make your hair really squeaky clean. So after your hair is that clean, you really need a really great intensive conditioner. This is it, but it's just the size that makes me not happy. I need a larger size of this, or at least I need to be able to use two, but unfortunately I could only use one on this occasion. Now, I did do some research online and I found out that there is a tub of this, but it's not available at Superdrug. Palmers, can you please get the tub and put in Superdrug, please? You see this? This size can't do for me. I need a bigger one, please. Can you give me a bigger one? Thank you. It felt lovely on my hair. As soon as I put it in my hair had a lot of slip. And it just, once it started to go into my hair, like I could feel the nourishment going into my hair, and it was lovely. But I couldn't really part my hair and really get it into my hair the way I wanted to. The Mallow Leave-In Conditioner is lovely. I think it goes into the hair really well. I personally just always have a bit of an issue with spray bottles when it comes to leave-in conditioners, because I always apply them to my hair when my hair is wet. My hands are wet, it slips, all of that kind of stuff makes it a bit tricky to handle while I'm trying to style my hair. Secondly, it's watery. If you really like watery leave-ins, I think you'll really like this, because it does have a nourishing consistency to it. I wasn't able to give this a good chance to really do the detangling work that it could have done. And part of the reason why was because of the shampoo and the conditioner. So the shampoo is quite stripping, it's very clarifying, and then I wasn't able to use as much of the deep conditioner that I really wanted to. As a result, my roots were fairly tangled, and it was a job to really detangle my hair. So I would have to try this again at a time when I know that my roots are not that tangled, to really give it a fair shot. It was pretty much decent. And finally, we have the Ceramide Monoi Hair Food Oil. Nourishes and fuels hair and scalp. This can go on hair and scalp, but again, I don't really put things on my scalp, just on my hair. This went onto my hair really smoothly, and also it combined really nicely with the leave-in conditioner. So if you like to pair a liquid leave-in and an oil and your hair just works really well where that's concerned, then you will love these two products. For me personally, there was something missing, and that is a cream. For this particular twist out, I had to use just the leave-in and an oil because there wasn't a cream. In the Natural Fusions range, there is a Neem and Baruti style hold, which is a creamy styler. That would have been amazing and perfect for me, but it's not available in the UK. My hair doesn't really work that great with just a liquid and an oil, or just like a spray product and an oil. For the density and dryness of my hair, and on top of it, the fact that the ends of my hair are bleached, I really do need a cream. I need a liquid and a cream, or a cream and an oil, but either way, I need a cream. Can you please send the cream? Thank you. You can see that the definition here is lovely. I do have a little bit of frizz at the ends, but that's just me and twist outs in general. But I just feel like it needs a little bit more moisture. Overall, I'm going to say that using this range of products was a very pleasant experience. The fragrance is also pleasant, it's not overpowering, it has a very gentle floral smell. Speaking of florals, it is lovely. But for me, the experience right now is a little bit incomplete. I will be revisiting this probably at a later date. So if you do want to see a follow-up video, then comment below and let me know. And I'll get that out to you as soon as I possibly can. So if you enjoyed this review, then please give it a big thumbs up below. Also hit the red subscribe button if you'd like to see more product reviews like this. Hit the bell for notifications so that you'll know when I upload a new video. Comment below and let me know if you have tried any of the new Natural Fusions range and how you feel about it. I do love getting a dialogue going with you guys and finding out what you really think about new products on the market. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you health, happiness and beautiful hair. I'll see you again soon on the Curly Closet. Take care. Bye.